Good day, class. Welcome to Gostam International Bilingual School online class. So today we are in GSS 2, first term, week 1. And the topic we'll be looking is expressing numbers in standard form. To express numbers in standard form means you are going to write the number in the form a times 10 raised to the power n, where a are numbers that are from 1 to 10 and n is also a whole number. Now, to write numbers, let's look at some examples. Examples, number 1, 6325. To write it in standard form is 6325. Now, there are two sets of numbers when it comes to writing numbers in standard forms. Number 1 set are numbers that are greater than 1. That's numbers that do not start with a decimal point. That's numbers that are not starting with 0 point. All these numbers are called whole numbers. They are greater than 1. And the second set are numbers that start with 0 point. That's their decimal numbers. They are numbers less than 1. So this is a whole number, and to write it, this number does not have a decimal point. Any number that does not have a decimal point is assumed that there is a decimal point at the end of that number. Decimal point at the end of every number is useless. So this useless number decimal point is going to be useful when we are dealing with standard form. Now we need to move this decimal point from here to here. That is, after the first digit number, there must be a decimal point. So let's move it to 1, 2, 3. So we'll move it 3 places before we put it the decimal point, which will be after the first digit number. So our answer will be 6.325 times 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 raised to the power 3. Let's take another example. 7632.15. Now this one, we'll write it again, 7632.15. Now in this second example, we discover that there is a decimal point in the number, inside the number. So we are going to move the decimal point from here to here. Remember, our target is always moving the decimal point to be after the first digit number. So this is the first digit number after it. That's it. So let's move it. 1, 2, 3. It will be there. So our answer will be 7.63215 times 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 raised to the power 3. Now let's take another example. 0.00432. Now this we'll still write it 0.00432. Now in this number 3 example, we discover that the number starts with 0 point. That is, it is less than 1. So here we are moving the decimal point to after the first digit number. Remember, the first digit number here is 4. So we are moving it to 1 here and here. This way we move it. So our answer will be 4.32 times 10. Now, how many times did the decimal point move to this point? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is raised to the power minus 3. Why is it minus 3? It's minus 3 because it moved to the negative side. All these ones were moving this way, which is going to the positive side. This one was moving this way to the positive side. But this one moved this way, inward to the negative side. Whenever it's moving inward, it will have a minus raised to the power. Let's look at number 4. 0.00065. It will be equals to what? 0.00065. So the decimal point is moving from here to here to here to here and here. So our answer will be 6.5 times 10 raised to the power how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will be a minus 5 raised to the power minus 5. Why? Because it's moving inward to the negative side. So once your decimal point is moving inward, your raised to the power will be minus. Once it's moving this other side, it will not be minus, it will be a positive raised to the power. So try this classwork and drop your answers in the comment section. Number 1, 0.00093. Write it in standard form. And also number 2, 84321. And the last one is number 3, 672.15. Put your answers in the comment section.